Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the canvas units for your presentations and diagrams on Lucidchart. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me navigate to that example document or diagram here with that element, and just for the sake of the tutorial, if I move that element, you will see these coordinates below the given element. For example, in this case here on the x-axis and the y-axis displayed and counted or measured, I should rather say, in px or pixels, like for example minus 1500 pixels, which means to the left, or almost 500 pixels plus on the x-axis. If you'd like to change these, you will need to right click into your document anywhere here, select document settings, so use that shortcut here, navigate to canvas and pages, and under units click into the drop down menu and select one of these inches, centimeters, points, pixels. Let me go with centimeters, close that menu, and now these measurements or distances will be displayed in centimeters. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.